at you from Fortnite this time. So, with this new chapter in Season 2 here, they have brought back probably one of my most favorite guns. Hold on. And you know what that gun is? The combat shotgun. Now, I know. It gets a lot of hate. Oh, everyone talks about it. You know, sniper shotgun, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I love it. And I'm going to show you how OP this gun really is by using only this gun to get the dub. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so, as I said before, this combat shotgun is a very overpowered weapon. Now, to most people, they'd probably like, oh, it's overrated. But I'm going to show you just how overpowered this thing really is, because if a bot, dog water trash player like myself can't get the dub with just this shotgun, then literally anybody who plays this game can. So, we're going to show you how it's done as soon as we find one. Hopefully we can get one right off the bat. And that is not a combat shotgun. We'll take any shotgun ammo we can find. That's not the right shotgun. So we are allowed heals. Just no weapon except the hey, there we go. First combat shotgun successfully acquired. And we're going to use the kinetic blade. That's going to be for travel purposes only. No damage. Now, if I find a second one, I'm definitely packing twice. Okay, so should have enough ammo now to start hunting. And just to make it easier, we're going to take this car. So this is the new cars, huh? I dig it. Turbo sticking through the hood. Heck yeah. What in God's name is this music? Anybody home? It does not appear as though anyone's been here. Nope, that's not what I want. Okay, so for now, we're just going to run one shotgun. Mostly because I haven't found another. As I was saying, mostly because I haven't found another one. But as luck would have it, there's our second one. Okay. Let's go hunting. And just like that. Oh, that guy scared me. He was charging up for an attack. But there you go, guys. So a complete bot such as myself just eliminated that guy with the combat shotguns. Not gonna lie, scared me a lot. Okay, now back towards the city. Not gonna lie, I'm really digging these new cars. These are badass. Well, why not upgrade our shotgun? Alright. And just like that, elimination number 2 down. Right, man has some chug splashes. Heal up with those. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Oh! Oh! I am so much of a bot that even the combat shotgun cannot get me a dub. So what we're going to do is try a new tactic. I've been trying to play aggro, get a high kill game, yada yada yada, so on and so forth. And I just get destroyed every time. So, shotgun acquired. All those chests right there. I'm gonna take a new tactic to this, and shout out to Laser Beam, as I've watched a lot of his videos. No, he doesn't play Fortnite a whole lot anymore. But we're gonna use the Laser Beam strat. Those of you who don't know what that is, we are going to hide. We will get kills when confronted, if need be, but mostly just hide. Because even the combat shotgun cannot make me a good Fortnite player. We'll start out a little more aggressive here in the beginning. Alright, and we'll be back. We're going to go ahead and skip this boring part. prayers have been answered. Okay. There's only me and these two left. The best opportunity so far? Come on. You two fight each other, and then I'll clean up the scraps. And that's how you do it, baby. Woo! Even a bot like myself can win with a combat shotgun. Alright guys, and that is the video. I hope you enjoyed. This was dreadfully painful for myself. But in the end I did show you that you can win with just the combat shotgun. So if you liked the video, smack that like, hit the subscribe, and if you have any comments, suggestions for other challenges or something like that, drop a comment, let me know. Until next time, bye bye.